Welcome back to the castle. We're here in the pit of the bowling lane right now. We've just made a couple of updates, a really quick update. I want to show you what we did today. Super simple change to our lane, and let's take a look. So here's the difference, and this is still something that we can still change if needed. You'll notice that the pit curtain, let me turn the light on, back up a little bit so it's a little easier to see. There you go. You can see the pit curtain is a little bit thicker. The reason why it's thicker is because I went ahead and bought another mat, and I put that behind, and then I put the old mat in front of it. So we have basically a double layer pit curtain, and that change makes this have a lot more mass, which in turn helps absorb a lot of the impact from the ball as it goes down the lane. There used to be a problem with when we rolled the ball down. There used to be a big problem with the ball, if it didn't hit anything especially, usually when I bowled, of it bouncing off of here and then back onto the lane. You actually, if you saw my video last time about with the game that I posted a couple days ago, you'll see the first frame, the ball does bounce out of the pit. Clearly, we do not want that to happen. So just to show you kind of what happens, what used to happen, that's what you just saw. Now I've got a ball, and I'm going to give this a good whirl. There's no pins in the lane. There's nothing in the pit right now. I just want to give this ball a good whip down the lane and see what happens. See how now it stays in the pit. It absorbs the impact really, really well. Does not seem to have any issue with bouncing out. Here's another one. Let's see if I can get that one on the other side. And see how it now gets back there. So I'm really, really pleased with the fact that the pit curtain now is absorbing more of the impact, and hopefully that will solve the problem that we had in the past video and past experiences. Well, that'll do it for today. Thanks for checking us out. And again, thanks for subscribing to Cobb Castle. And we hope to have some more videos and updates to share with you soon. Have a great day.